Law Minister Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jaafar should not mislead the public on why Malaysia's corruption perception index has dropped, said an opposition MP. Klang MP Charles Santiago said Wan Junaidi had got it wrong and that he needed to be more nuanced when addressing the increasing corruption in the country. In actual fact, if the government is investigating more corruption cases, the score will go up. Only when you're trying to close those cases will the index begin to drop, he told FMT. Yesterday, Wan Junaidi said the decline in Malaysia's CPI was due to wide publicity given to the fight against corruption and the number of cases in court. He said the recent crackdown on cases by enforcement agencies such as the police and the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission had led to an increase in the perception that corruption was rampant in the country. In response, Santiago said the government should make more effort to investigate graft, as this would instill a sense of confidence among the public and the business community that it was keen to reduce corruption. A classic case in point is the Asambaki issue. There is plenty of evidence and elements of abuse of power and corruption, but there have been no updates so far, he said. He said at the same time, former Prime Minister Najib Razak has been convicted for corruption, while the leader of UMNO, Ahmad Zahid Hamidi, has been asked to defend himself in court for allegations of the same nature. So clearly, when a top-notch institution and political leaders are involved in corruption or allegations, this gives the impression that something is wrong. That is why our CPI ranking has dropped, he said. Earlier this week, Transparency International released its annual CPI 2021 report, in which Malaysia dropped 5 places to 62. It was the second year in a row in which the country dropped in the ranking, having fallen 6 spots to 57 in the CPI 2020 report.